Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely Beyonce coils inspired wig using Yolova hair. Yes, I see people doing that kind of inspired coils, which I really fell in love with, but I don't want to do mine with a colored hair, so I decided to use this Yolova wig. I DIY this wig myself. The tutorial is on my channel if you've not checked it out. I really love the length of this wig. I really love the length of the hair. The hair is so soft. If you don't want to rock it straight, you can easily rock it with a very lovely coils, and very easy to achieve the coils because the hair takes coils immediately within seconds. You are going to see what I'm talking about. Now I want my pattern to be obvious than before, so I'm just using my picker to pluck out some hair. I want it to be very, not really very obvious like that. So now let's start achieving the coils. Make sure you brush track by track before you coil your hair. So I'm going to be using my weave on oil to add some shine to protect it from heat that I want to use. Make sure you use that. So there's the coils I'm going to be using to achieve these lovely coils. So you can see this hair takes coil immediately, instantly you finish wrapping the hair towards the coiling one, just drop it immediately and the coils is just like that. So you're going to see what I'm talking about now. The coils hold immediately. Can you see the texture of this hair is so soft, as in no shedding. It holds coils. You can easily rock these coils for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, just praying God to be glue hairspray. That is hairspray glue. So now you can see I do it track by track. I oil it, brush it, then start coiling it. This hair is so soft, guys. I really fell in love with this hair. I decided to try it out with coils because the first video I did on this hair was straight. I was like, I love this Beyonce inspired coils people are doing. Let me see, maybe I can use this hair to achieve these coils, and this came out so perfect, so beautiful. And you know what, guys, this hair is on sales now. Apart from that, click on the link on the description box below and use SIKIRU to check out when you finish buying any hair. Even though if you don't want to buy this one I'm using, they have a lot of amazing hair on the site, a lot. Just make sure you check out with SIKIRU. You get some coins off. Apart from the sales going on now, you get some coins off when you use the code SIKIRU to check out. Yes, make sure you check it out, guys. You can easily rock this hair for your Christmas, guys. You know Christmas is coming, different kind of, we are in festive period now, New Year is coming. You have to look good for babe with a budget, not expensive, or with a budget, because after you use the discount code SIKIRU, and you are still going to get some percent off because sales is really going on now. So you can see how this hair is really holding the coils. I really fell in love with the coils of this hair. I won't even rock it straight again. I'll rock it with this coil. So I make sure I spray my God to be glue spray on it so that it can hold the coils very well. You know, guys, this is a straight hair, not a coily hair, but we have to make sure we do this on a budget. If you want to rock one hair straight, do it. If you want to rock it with coils, do it. People are going to think maybe you just got a new hair. And do you know what I love about this hair? Immediately I call this hair, as in the shyness is, apart from the hair wig oil I use, as in the way it shines naturally. This is 100% woman hair, and this does not shade, this does not tangle. Immediately I brush it through, no shedding. So guys, I'll allow you guys to keep on watching. Make sure you watch to the end so that you can see how this hair turned out. So mwah. So we have to make this hair smell so nice. Also, I'm going to add some sheen to add some shine. And guys, please support your girl by subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that. Do not use a comb to separate the coils, or else all the work you did is gone. Make sure you use your hand to separate the coils. So you can see that is what I'm doing now, just using my hand to separate the coils. So after I'm done separating the coils, let's review the final look. Yeah guys, can you see this came out so beautiful? The length, everything is description box below. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, do not forget to check out Yolova Hair. Yes, they have a lot of amazing hair, different texture of hair you want. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.